Okay, hello guys. Good evening. Hello everyone. This is our December week 2 lesson. Hi Anas, how are you? Hi Zian, is this your first time here? Or are you a student from another? Are you doing a replacement or are you a new student? Right, so what are we doing today? Okay, we are continuing with our chapter 8. Oh, yeah, students. Okay. Hello. This is your first lesson here. So we are in chapter 8. I'm not sure whether you have this note. I don't know which note they gave it to you because we are still in chapter 8. Right, so anyway, let's continue with our chapter 8. Okay, where's everyone today? Why is today so quiet one? I can see most of y'all went to holiday already. All right, so I think we finished our color last week. Okay, what's your RGB? Okay, if you go Mary Brown to eat GCB, you become gayer. Okay, remember this? Remember this? I think I've talked about this filter thing. Okay, guys, have I finished this? Have I finished the filter? Can anyone let me know? Have I finished this? Because in my memory, I think we am halfway through here. Not yet. Okay, we not yet finished. Okay, sure. Then let's talk about this filter thing. Okay, this is very easy, guys. This is very easy. Oh, halfway. That means, oh, okay, I'll start over lah. Okay, I'll start over lah. So, like I said, okay, what is a filter, by the way? A filter is something that only allows a certain color to pass through, right? For example, if this is a primary color filter, they will only allow one color to pass through. Like red filter, they will allow red to pass through. Blue filter, they allow blue. Green filter, they allow green. Right? They only allow their own color to pass through. You see, green filter, they allow green. Okay, so secondary color filter. Okay, when you see secondary, that means they will allow two colors to pass through because a secondary color is made from two colors, right? Like I said, yellow is made from red and green. So a yellow filter, they allow yellow to pass through. Well, yellow is made from red and green. Like I said, gayer, GYR. So yellow it's made from red and green. Okay, guys, like I said, whenever you see a secondary color in exam, please split this into your primary colors. You will make your job so much easier, right? So split them into your original color. Okay, so when you see cyan, okay, cyan, like I said, GCB. Okay, you know the Great Chicken Burger, GCB. So cyan is made from green and blue. So you split this into two. So cyan filter will allow green and blue to pass through. How you remember the rainbow color? Yeah, what should how did you memorize the Roy G. Beef thing? Okay, so magenta is made from red and blue because Mary Brown, MRB. Magenta filter, they allow red color and blue color to pass through. Okay, so you guys okay with this? You guys okay with this? Whenever you see secondary color, split them into primary colors. It will make your life so easy. Okay, they make your life so easy. Right, so what happens when you have two filters? Okay, that's cool. Oh, you do it in the BM version, is it? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Right. As long as as long as you can memorize, that's good. Right. So anyway, when you see two filters, what now? Right, you do the same thing. You see, red filter. This one don't need to split because red is a basic color. Red is a primary color. So when you see yellow, you split this into two because yellow is made from green and red. Right. Hi Shane. Oh, I thought you're not coming. Hi Shane. How are you? We only have 8 today. Everyone, I can foresee lah. Everyone went to holiday already lah. I think next week will be even more lonely. Yeah, what's up, Shane? What's up? So like what? Hi, Mildred. Wow, another one joins us. Hey, hi, Mildred. How are you? I thought everyone went to holiday already. Very, very unusual and odd word. Okay, yeah, what's up? By the way, Shane, you're on everyone's chat, just in case you wanna not to disclose this. Okay, okay. Why are you capsing everything? Yes, going to okay. So for those who just came in, okay, we are talking about filters. So secondary color filter, they will allow two colors to pass through. Okay, which is okay, the component color. Yellow is made from red and green, so they allow red and green to pass through. Right? So anyway, so you see what happens when I put two filters? What happens when I put two filters? You find the common color. You see, red filter, they allow red to pass through. Yellow filter, they allow green and red. So what's the common color? Red is the common color, right? So red is going to pass through because red can pass through these two filters. So red will pass through. Okay, okay. Yeah, Shane, you continue your story while I explain, okay? So anyway, so common color, okay, next, when you see yellow and cyan, like I said, these two, they are secondary colors, so you split them. So your yellow is made from green and red, remember gayer. Okay, if you forget I write here again. Okay, I go here again. If you go Mary Brown to eat GCB, you become gayer. It's more gay. Oh, so sweet. Shit, like, is there a sort of like your crush? Is he your crush? That's so no no Okay, then why would you wanna write him a letter? Okay, 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 okay. Then that's a crush lah. Is that not a crush? Wait, hey, why you so random with your story? Okay, anyway, so yellow is made from green and red, gayer. So cyan is made from GCB, okay, GCB. So it's made from green and blue. So what's the common color? Green is the common color, right? So green can pass through. Because green can pass through the first filter, green can pass through the second filter. You will see green coming out from these two filters. All right? Okay. Wow, Shane, this has turned into an episode. You continue. I'm reading, I'm reading. Okay, so you guys understand? The rest of you guys, do you guys understand? Uh Zian, do you understand? Because this is your first time here. It might look a bit unfamiliar to you. I mean, you understand? Has your school, what school are you from, by the way? What school are you from? Has your school taught this? 你们学了吗? Oh, you're from Seafield. Okay, okay. Wow, I've quite a few students from Seafield. Okay. Oh, finish the whole syllabus. Wow, I knew it. Okay. So, hey, Zian, let me ask you, your school finished the syllabus, right? But can you understand? Can you understand? If can then go lah. If cannot, then you have to oh can okay, then that's the good thing. All right, anyway, so again, so the next one, blue filter. Okay, blue is a primary color, so there's no need for you to split. Yellow is made from green and red, okay, because gayer, GYR. So you see, is there any common color? No. You see, blue, green, red, there's no common color, so no color will come out. So you see black. Black is the absence of all lights. So no color, nothing. So you see black. So you got your friend into trouble, Jane. I hope she didn't blame you for it. Okay, so have I done this already? Have I done this already? The green color. I've done this. I've done this. So shall we jump straight to exercise? Shall we jump straight to exercise? Have I done any exercise last week? Have I? Oh my god, my memory goldfish lah. Have I done any exercise last week? Have I done all the exercise? I might enter chapter 9 today. Oh shit, you're writing a novel here. Oh, the suspense. What happens next? Right, have I where was I? Where was I? Have I done question 15? Anyone can tell me where was I? Well, I have to listen to two of you telling stories. Okay, anyone, where was I? Where was I? Which question was I? I really forgot. I really forgot. Anyone can enlighten me? Where was I? Have I done? Oh, pencil in water thing. Uh, was it this one? Was it question 11? Was it? Hey, hey guys, where was I? Please tell me where was I? Okay, someone got disconnected. Hang on, Where was I? Where was I? Hello, Kaiwei. Why you disconnected? Kaiwei, can you please tell me where was I last week? Can you tell me where was I last week? Because I really forgot. What was the last question I did last week? No. This is the chapter 8. Chapter 8. Number 6. Okay, thank you. Why is it so hard for you guys to tell me where was I? Okay, anyway. So you know what? Let me delete this off real quick. Okay. I will try to cover as many as I can today. Because there's a lot of things I have to go through. Oh shit, that's a lot. Right, so let's go to question 7. Let's go to question 7. Okay, so this is your reflection. Okay. What's so embarrassing? I think it's okay lah. I just think it's a very cute mistake lah. Okay. Anyway, yeah, exactly, Wei Heng. Yeah, I think you have a point, Wei Heng. Yeah, why not just say, yeah, you just want to be friends? Why? He's a stranger. Yeah, that's how you start a friendship. Everyone starts with being a stranger. Okay, anyway, so this is your reflection. Guys, do you remember what's the law of reflection? Okay, you have your incident angle and you have your reflected angle. So remember, your angle of incidence should be always the same as your angle of reflection. Remember? 告白啦, what's wrong with that? Hey guys, why is it always guys who make the move? Girls can make the move also, right? I mean, yeah, I mean, it could be platonic also. Can we be friends? What? Why not? I think it'll be cool, right? You're like notice me, senpai, kind of thing, Jane. Okay. Anyway, so based on the result above, what is the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? Guys, I'm just gonna write short form here. Angle of incidence is the same as angle of reflection. Please don't write short form in your exam. You have to write angle of incidence. It's the same as angle of reflection. You guys get what I'm trying to say here, right? I don't want to write the long thing because you get the point, right? Sama dengan. Okay, sudut 7 sama dengan sudut pantulan, right? So it should be the same. So you end up with 82. You end up with 82. Oh, then at least you give it to him. Okay. Why is he not your crush, Shane? Is he not your type? Is he not your type? I'm just curious. Oh, he looks good. He looks then okay lah. That's called a crush, what? That's a crush, what? No? My God, you girls are so confusing. He looks good, but it's not your crush. So what's your type, Shane? Okay, okay, that means he's not your type lah. That means it's not your type, is it? What the hell is that? Hang on, let me Google that. Did, why is that? Why is there Roro in the word? Why is there Roro? Oh, that's a thing. Okay. Oh, asexual lah, is it? Okay. Wow, that is such a confusing word. Okay. Yeah, I mean, hey, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Right. Okay, anyway, so this is reflection. Your reflective suit and your signboard is reflection. Why is this looking so ugly? Okay, so anyway, we jump to the next question. Okay, let's go to question 9. Let's jump to question 9. I'm curious, Shane. So what's your type, Shane? What's your type? Since he's good looking, then you're not crushing on him, then what's your type? Do you have a type? Do you have a type? Fictional man. Okay. Okay. Cool, cool. Right. Anyway, so this is your refraction. This is your refraction. So what happens here? What happens here if you draw a normal line here, and if you draw a normal line here, can you see this part bends in? This part bends out. Like I said last week, if you are going from a crowded, less crowded place, less dense, to a crowded place, dense place, you slow down. You see, 快慢. You go from fast to slow. When your speed decrease, your angle decrease. You bend in. And the reverse, if you go from crowded place to less crowded place, speed increase, angle increase. You bend out. You guys remember this? Remember this? Yeah lah. Kawei, you know what is that called? Kawei, this is called 吊高来卖. You understand? You understand what is 吊高来卖? Jual mahal. Okay. Anyway, so moving on. So what happens to the light ray when it's directed to the glass block? Okay, it is what happens here? It is refracted. Okay, it is refracted. Dibiaskan. Okay, cahaya dibiaskan. Signal him as in how? Like that. Oh, that's how I go. That's when I go mama how I call the ane. Okay. Oh, so sweet. Okay. Okay, what? That's a very cute thing, what? Okay, so B, based on the observation obtained by N, state the difference between the rays labeled QR and RS. Okay, QR and RS. Okay, so what's the difference here? What's the difference here? You see, QR is bending in towards the normal. RS is bending out away from the normal. Okay, okay, can guys, can. Okay, so you can say QR bends towards the normal. Okay, membengkok ke normal, whereas your RS bends away from normal. Okay, membengkok dari normal. Okay, one is towards, one is away. That's what I call a cross chain. I mean, deny it all you want, but for me it just looks like a crush thing. I mean, it's cute. I mean, it's cute. I mean, what's wrong? I mean, you yeah, exactly. Crush on him 啦，no big deal 嘛，又不会少一块肉，是不是？哎呀，no big deal 嘛。哎呀，mix signals 啦，guys. This guys, this is see. Shane is the prime example here, showing us that why are girls so hard to understand, right? For a girl, yes means yes, but also yes means no. But no means no, but sometimes no means yes. So which is which? You have to figure it out yourself, right? So for guys out there, bertabah. So next time you know. Next time when your girlfriend says yes or no, then you have to start thinking, is that a yes or a no? That's the $1 billion question, isn't it? Right. Hey guys, you understand this? Oi, we are learning light here. This is not Mr. Eddie's romantic class. or Mr. Eddie's platonic friendship class, right? Yeah, Sundar, yes, you are. You definitely are. Okay, you're like, okay, you're like Baka. That's what Sundar says every time, isn't it? Okay, okay, can I? Hey, guys, you guys can understand, so QR bends inside, like I said, when speed slows down, it bends in. When speeds increase, it bends out. You have to know this. So explain the difference. Why is QR bending in? Because the speed of QR slows down or decrease. Okay, kelajuan QR menurun. Whereas your speed of RS increase. Kelajuan RS meningkat. Dot means you copy back the upper word lah. Okay, you guys can understand? Wow, so noble. Okay. Wow. Okay, Shane, now it's like you're preaching already. Have you heard of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? You sound like that. All right, anyway. Okay, so D, predict what happens to the light ray if light is directed towards the glass block. Okay, if it goes straight, right? If it goes straight into the glass block, it will travel straight. Okay, there will be no bending. Okay, the light ray travels straight. Okay, bergerak secara lurus. So what is PQ and QR? You know what? Not important lah. So I want you to understand B and C, guys. Okay, I want you to understand B and C. Okay, when it slows down, it bends in. If it, like I said, speed decrease, angle decrease. If it goes fast, it bends out. When speed increase, angle increase. Right? Right? Can I? Can I? Hey guys, any you guys okay with this? Can someone tell me? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Shane, thanks for the sharing. Thanks for the story. Yeah, exactly. Uh, here's the thing lah. Here's the thing. Don't try to understand women lah. Women they understand each other and they hate each other. Right? Yes, I saw your message. I saw your message, Ring. I saw your message. Yeah, I know. Okay. Yes, Otta handsome. I saw. What the hell is Otta handsome? Right. Oh, today you have a spot check. Yeah, what's up? So, Ernest, you got anything confiscated? Did you bring any questionable stuff to school? You don't know what's the purpose to rampas stuff lah, to enforce discipline. Okay, so this one I don't need to understand to explain lah. You see, this is bending in, right? So can you tell me what's the medium? Do you know what's the medium? Give me two mediums here. Can you tell me what is medium 1 and 2? Give me an example. Anyone? Bending in, what happens here? What is medium 1? What is medium 2? Hello? Which is more crowded? Is this place more crowded? Or is this place more crowded? Yes, this is 2 is more crowded, right? So give me an example. I want an example. What could be medium 1? What could be medium 2? What medium is more? Do you know what's a medium? What's a medium? An example of things, right? Is this water? Is this glass? Is this air? Yes, thank you. Okay, so your number 1 is air. This is an air. This is air here. This is glass here. You want to say here is water also can, or you want to say this is water. This is glass also can. Okay, because you see, glass is more crowded because glass is a solid. More crowded, they slow down. Like I said, speed slow down, angle decrease. Both decrease. Speed decrease, angle decrease, so they will bend in. Okay, Jimmy Zata. Cermin Sata. This is not Cermin lah. This is Cermin is reflection. That one's Pantulan. This is Pembiasan. Okay, is everyone okay? Is everyone following? Is everyone following? Guys, this is coming out a lot in your finals. All right. Treat it this way, guys. Treat it this way. After you studied this year, next year you're not touching this again. Right? This year, after you study all your Form 1, you finish your exam, you won't be touching this again this year, which is the good thing. Right? Right? Can so make sure you guys understand this. Right, so moving on. Let's go to our this is all refraction lah. This answer I will put it in Google Classroom lah. You can check yourself there. Okay. The no nut November thing is over. Okay, so 13. What color is J? What color is J and what color is K? Anyone? What color is J? What is the color that runs the fastest? Yes, thank you, Kawai. This is red and this is violet. Okay, merah dan ungu. Like I said, red color runs the fastest, so you have red color here. Okay, yes, thank you. Right, so name. Okay, what phenomena is this? What is this phenomena? 这是什么现象? What phenomena? What phenomena is this? This is not refraction. This is not refraction. This is called 这个叫折散不是折射This is called the dispersion of light. Disperse means you split up. You split up. Okay. This is called penyebaran cahaya. Ming Heng, learn Mandarin lah. Okay. Learn some Ching Chong, please. You're a Ching Chong. Minus 10 social credit. You bad citizen of 你会okay, good for you. Right, so anyway, you guys can understand what is this? Dispersion is like this. Scattering is running everywhere. Why is your sky blue? That is scattering, penyerakan. Okay, what's the difference? You must say, sir, also splitting what? Dispersion is splitting uniformly. Scattering is running everywhere in all directions. That's the difference. 你华语不及格OK 吗？你会讲吗？OK So Wei Heng, you are not a banana lah. You're not a banana lah. You guys can become friends. Okay. Okay lah, I understand lah. Mandarin is hard lah. Mandarin is really hard. Hey, speaking of which, where is Miru today? Oh, she's not here. No wonder the class is abnormally silent, abnormally quiet. So, what light is the most refracted? What is the light that is bent the most? Anyone? What is the light that bends the most? What color? What color? Wei Heng, please don't. What color that bends the most? What color that bends the most? Okay, you see, red goes the straightest. Purple bends the most. You see, so it should be violet. No, violet. Sorry, not purple. Shane, don't. Shane, don't ever go there. The amount of sexual innuendos Shane, insaf lah. Insaf, please. Okay, so D. Arrange the light spectrum. Okay, this one already yourself lah. Okay, I'm just gonna skip. Okay, one phenomena. Where do you see dispersion? Where do you see dispersion? Sentosa is haram. Okay, where is it? Yes, rainbow. Thank you. Pelangi. Yes, after raining. Yes. Right. So this one also dispersion lah. We skip again. Okay, let's go to our color. Right. So C A. Circle the position which the observer will see the sunlight as reddish. Where do you see the sun as red? X, Y, or Z? X, Y, or Z? There's two answers here, actually. There's two answers here. Right? Anyone? I bet most of you forgot this already lah. Okay, let me repeat this again. So, red color runs the fastest, so it is the least scattered. Okay, this color is the least scattered, 最少被分散的, and this purple is the most scattered. All right, yes, X and Y. X and Y, no X and Y, X and Z, yes, X and Z. So, this color, before they reach Earth, before they reach your eyes, they already finished scattering, right? But in the morning, the sun is very close to you. You see blue, because blue color is the most scattered in the sky. They are still there. They are the most scattered. But during sunset, now the sun has to go very far to reach you. Like here, you see, very far to reach you. So now all the other colors, they are lost. They are finished scattering. They are no more. Now even blue and green, they finish scattered. So only around 3 colors are left, which is red, orange, and yellow. So that's why sunset, you see red, orange, and yellow. And because they are the least scattered. The least scattered. Blue is the most scattered. Paling banyak diseratkan, paling kurang diseratkan. Okay, so which is X and Z, because the sun goes the furthest. This you should see blue. So mark for the correct statement. The cloud reflects blue light. Is it correct? Does the cloud reflect? Okay, no, thank you. So number 2, the blueness of the sea is reflected to, if the sea is reflected to the sky, does the sea reflect the sky or the sky reflect the sea? This is wrong, huh? Okay, this is reflected to the sky. That means the ocean is originally blue and it goes up to the sky. Okay, it doesn't work like that. So number 3, sunlight transmits more blue light. Do they? Do we have more blue from the sun? Okay, no. It's equal amount every light. Blue light is scattered by the particles in the atmosphere. Yes. That's why you scatter around, that's why you see blue. Okay, you guys understand this? You guys understand? Many students they cannot understand this part. I don't understand why. Okay, so natural phenomena. Okay, this is your blue sky. This is your red sunset. So number 1, phenomena S, which is the blue sky, occurs because blue light is the least scattered. Is blue light the least scattered? No, right? Blue is the most scattered. So false. Hi Shani, is your internet okay? Is it your internet or my internet? So number 2, the sun looks reddish during sunset because red and orange are the least scattered. Correct? Are they the least scattered? Are they the least scattered? Oh, your computer shut down, huh? Are they the least scattered? You see up here, what? Right? Why your computer suddenly shut down? Okay, are they the least scattered? They are, right? Okay, you might say, yeah, sir, they are the least scattered, but how come we see them? Because other colors are already gone. Other colors, they are already gone. There's no more. They finished scattering already. So only red color is left. So you see red. Okay, this is a bit hard to understand. Guys, how much they scatter is already set. Okay, it's already set. You see, red will forever be the least scattered. Violet will forever be the most scattered. It's just that somehow in the morning or during afternoon, we see blue, okay, because the blue can reach us. Blue can scatter right in front of our eyes. But when we are during sunset, the sun is very far away from us. There's no more blue, no more green, no more other colors. So it is the least scattered. Yes, it is. This is true. Okay, is this confusing? Is this confusing? Okay, so number 3, during the day, during daytime, violet is the most scattered, red is the least scattered. Is it true? Is violet the most scattered? Is red the least scattered? Yes. Thank you. Because you see here, most scattered, least scattered. Right, so number 4, the sun looks redder during sunset if the air is more polluted because dust particles in the air scatter more red light. Is this true? When you have haze, you look more yellow, you look more red, you look more orange. Is it true? Is it true? I think I told this, right? I think I told this right. See, whenever you have haze, you see more yellow. Right? More scattering, more orange, more red. Right? So yes lah, true lah. True lah. Because when there's more dust, there's more scattering. So that's why during haze or during sandstorm you see these things. Okay, can you see it's very red because there's more light scattering. Yeah, you get what I mean, right? This is not fun, guys. Okay, I don't know why you guys can wish for haze so that you guys can have holiday. This thing sucks donkey balls, okay, because all you smell is dust. Okay, all you smell is smoke. Right. Anyway, so what is caused by scattering? Okay, that would be your red sky and blue sky. Rainbow is dispersion. Different concept, different concept. Are you guys still with me? Are you guys still with me? Okay, thank you. Wow, Shane, you finished typing, huh? Suddenly. Right. Yes, yeah, thank you. Okay. Anyway, so let's go to our color here. Please state one primary color and one secondary color. Okay. Can I see some answers here, please? What are the primary colors? Okay, you can name me all three lah. What are the primary colors? What are the basic colors? It's already written here. Okay, yes, that's your RGB. Thank you. Yes, RGB. Thank you. As a gamer, if you don't know what RGB is, shame on you. Right? Yes, RGB. Yes, Dishika. Thank you. Okay, so what about secondary? What about secondary? What are some secondary colors? Okay, yes, cyan. Yes, yellow. And yes, magenta. Wow, Zian, that's very good. Very good answer, Zian. Okay. Yes, Nishika, thank you as well. Wow, complete answer. Oh, okay, good. Right, so remember, if you go Mary Brown to eat GCB, it makes you gayer. Gayer. GYR. So what color is Q? What color is Q? Red and blue. What color do you get? No, it's not white. No, it's not white. White is in the middle. White is in the middle. Q is red and blue. What is red and blue? What is red and blue? This is magenta, yes. Okay, I gave answer here already also. So M. Magenta. So what is meant by primary color? What is a primary color? Can anyone define this? What is a primary color? A primary color is a color that cannot made from secunda. Made secunda, is it? Okay, color that cannot be obtained by mixing other colors. You campur other colors, yes, yes. Wow, Nishika, that's a very good answer. Okay. Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay, warna yang tidak dapat diperolehi dengan campuran warna lain. Okay, so you cannot mix primary colors. It's just like your pendidikan seni lah. Red, red, yellow, and blue, they are the basic colors. You cannot get yellow by mixing other colors. That is your pendidikan seni. This is your light. It's very different. So your Q is magenta. So this, please answer this yourself. Please answer this yourself. Okay, so red, blue, green, you get white here. So this is your filter. This is your filter. Green filter, you should see green. Blue filter, you should see blue because there's primary color here. Okay, so what's the color here? Like I said just now, when you see secondary color, split them into your basic color. So what is yellow made from? Yellow is made from green and red. Magenta is made from Mary Brown, red and blue. So what's the common color? What's the common color? The common color is red, right? So you should see a red color on the screen. All right, like I said, whenever you see secondary color, split them. You have to split them. It makes your life so much easier. If you do, then your answer will usually be correct. Okay, so number 19 is the same question. So when you have yellow and cyan, yellow is made from green and red. Because gayer ma. Cyan is GCB. So common color green. You should see green on the screen. Red, blue, these are basic colors. So there's no common color here. You should see black. Okay, black is the absence of all colors. All right. So why is the ball red? The ball is red because it absorbs all color besides red. Red color ball, okay, a red color ball, they will not absorb red. Okay, they will not absorb red. So will it absorb green? Will it absorb green, guys? Will it absorb green? Will it absorb green? Why no? Yeah, why no? You see, again, let me say this again. Red color ball, they don't absorb red. They will bounce off red. So do they absorb green? Do they absorb green? Yes, they absorb green. Okay, they absorb green. So, is someone disconnected? Who is disconnected again? Okay, so they don't absorb green. So, when you use green light, right? When you are in a room full of green light and you put a red ball in, what color is the ball? What color is the ball? They absorb green, what? They absorb the green, what? So any color bounce off? Any light that bounce off from the ball? No. You see, they absorb the green. They don't absorb red, right? They absorb the green. This green will be fully absorbed by the ball. So any color that comes out, any remaining color coming out, any remaining color, there's no more color coming out, right? Hi, Maldred. You got disconnected. Is it my internet again? Okay, so let me repeat this again, guys. This is a red color ball. A red color ball, like I said, whatever color the object is, that is the color that they don't absorb. A plant is green because they don't absorb green. The ball is red because they don't absorb red. So can they absorb green? They can absorb green, right? They will absorb green, right? So any color coming out, is there any color coming out? There's no color coming out. So what color do you see? Oh, is it? Okay. I wish your Wi-Fi gets better. Right, so there's no color that's coming out. So what color do you see? No light means you see? No light means you see? Black lah. Okay, black lah. Because green light is absorbed by the red ball. Okay, cahaya hijau diserap. Okay, I'm just writing the keyword lah. Diserap oleh bola merah. So no light is reflected to the observer. Okay, tiada cahaya dipantulkan. Tiada cahaya dipantulkan. Alright, okay, let me see if I can show you. Red object under green light. Okay, red object under green light. See if I can show you any. Are there? Can you see black? Can you see black? They don't absorb. They absorb the green away. So you see this thing. You see why under red light the apple looks red? Because apple doesn't absorb red. So they bounce off the red, you still see the apple. You see, under green they look black. Under blue they also look black because they absorb blue, they absorb green. So there's no color reflected off. So you see green. Sorry, so you see black. You guys understand? You guys understand? So please understand this. It's not that hard. Right? So when Z is shown onto a blue ball, blue ball. Okay, so the observer sees a blue light reflected from the ball. If Z is not white or blue, what probably is the color light? What kind of grammar is this? Goodness me. Okay, so if there's a blue ball, if there's a blue color ball, okay, I see blue color bounce off. But this light is not green. Sorry, it's not red or blue. White or blue, sorry. It's not white or blue. So what light is this? What light is this? Because if I put white light to this, right? Okay, if I put white light to this ball will absorb all color besides blue. So I will see blue. Same thing, if I use blue light, this thing doesn't absorb blue, so it will bounce off blue. So I still see blue. So what color is this? What color is this? Yeah, what's up? Yes, cyan I accept. Cyan I accept. Now why cyan? Why cyan? Why cyan? Because cyan is made from green and blue. Green and blue. So this ball will absorb the green, but it will not absorb the blue because blue will bounce off, right? So you see blue lah. So besides cyan, what else can you use? There's one more color. One more color that contains blue, and what is it? One more color. Yes, it's magenta. Good. Right? If you shine magenta to it, magenta is made from Mary Brown. So you see, this ball will absorb the red, but it will not absorb the blue, so blue will bounce off. You guys understand this? You guys understand this? This is one of the most challenging part to understand. I mean, it's not really that challenging, but okay, you get what I mean, right? So try to understand this. Okay, so you see, if I shine yellow light, okay, what are the components of yellow? Okay, what is in yellow light? What is in yellow light? Gyre, G-Y-R. So what is in your yellow light? Is your green and red. Okay, green and red. So what color is reflected by the red t-shirt under white light? So if I shine white light to red t-shirt, what color do you see? If you wear a red t-shirt under normal light, what color you see? You see red lah. This is easy. Right. What are the colored lights that are reflected by the t-shirt and shorts under yellow light? Okay, this is a good question. If I shine yellow light to the shirt, what do I see? What do I see? What color do I see? Anyone? Anyone? Very easy. Just split this to green and red. Okay, yellow is green and red, right? So green and red onto this t-shirt. What color do you see? What color do you see? Like I said, when you see secondary color, split this into primary. So red will bounce off, right? This green will be absorbed by the shirt, right? Red will be reflected, right? Yes, so you see red. Okay, you guys get the hang of it. Okay, that's good. So what about the short? What about the shorts? The shorts is blue. So they will absorb green and red, right? They will absorb both colors, right? So what color do you see? There's no color coming out. So you see, yes, black. Okay, you guys can understand? You guys can understand? So what is the color of the student's hair under yellow light? If I put yellow light onto my hair, what do I see? Yes, I will still see black because whatever that's black, it's black. Why your explain the answer? Because hair absorbs yellow light. Menyerap warna kuning, cahaya kuning. Why is the shoe? Why the student shoe appear white? Why is it white? Because it's under white light lah. Okay, so fine, whatever. Okay, so you guys can understand this, Yes, every number times 0 will be 0. Yes, exactly that concept. Okay, so I hope you guys can understand this, Right, so you know what? I think I'm going to skip this part already lah. So as long as you guys can understand this. Okay, so I have. Okay, let's jump a little bit into chapter 9. For next week, I will be going really fast, because your chapter 9, I have to finish chapter 9 in 2 lessons. So it will be quite a freaking challenge. It will be quite a freaking challenge. So I will try my best to do this. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, you know this Sunday is your replacement class, right? Next Friday, this class will still be as usual, your week 3 class, and then your week 4 class, your week 4 class is this Sunday, 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. I have 2 slots actually. I have 2 slots actually. 10 in the morning, that's the English one. If you are too lazy to wake up, I have another Mandarin class at 2:30. At 2:30. Come to the Mandarin or August Church. Okay. So it's either 10 in the morning or 2:30 in the afternoon. So up to you lah. So you want to up to you lah. See which one you want to come lah. Okay, so you'll be attending this class on this Sunday, this Sunday. So that means the day after tomorrow. So next class will be in Friday. Right? Yeah, sure. Make sure you guys request video. If you can't come, make sure you guys request video. So if you do come, right, it'll be very weird because you'll be attending week 4 stuff first, and then next Friday you'll be attending week 3. It's like a concept of watching the second episode, then you watch the first episode. But that's the best thing I can do it. So yeah, right. Anyway, so let's go to chapter 9, shall we? Let's go to chapter 9. So for those who are not coming, please request your video. Request it now, just in case you can't do it next time. I'm sure you guys are going for vacation. Okay, so next week is the last week. Next week is the last week because after that we are going for holidays already. Right, anyway, so this is our Earth, right? I'm sure you have learned this in your school. This is like a learn for fun chapter lah. So I will try to pick up the important stuff, pick up the important points and try to cover everything as much as I can. Right, so anyway, this is not as hard as you think. Right, so our Earth has 4 spheres. 4 spheres. It's like 4 system lah. We have the biosphere. You are the biosphere. Okay, you're part of the living things, right? And then you have the atmosphere, which is the air. Okay, and then you have the hydrosphere, which is the water, and you have the geosphere, which is Earth. It's like Avatar lah, you know. You have the air bender, you have the water bender, you have the earth bender. There's no fire here. There's no fire nation here. So this is your biosphere. This is your living thing. Right. So let's talk about the atmosphere first. Right. I will jump straight to the point. How do you memorize your atmosphere? Have I told you this before? How to memorize this? Have I told this how to memorize this? Okay. To score this in exam, you have to trust me. Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Okay, so Shane, you don't listen. Okay, so this is called trust me in exam. Okay, trust me in exam. Why trust me in exam? Because you have the troposphere, okay, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, or this is we also call this the thermosphere, and of course exosphere. There, done. Okay, we explain first lah. So what's the troposphere? You are staying in the troposphere. Stratosphere is where your plane is flying, right? And then there's the ozone layer here. So to be fair, when you're not on a plane, if you're living in the troposphere, you need not to worry about UV, okay? Because the ozone layer already filter all the UV for you. But if you're on a plane, your plane flies. Okay, your plane flies above the cloud, right? The cloud is here. The cloud is in the troposphere. So when your plane flies above, you are actually exposed to more UV. Okay, but you're just a few hours up there, okay? You need not worry. Yeah. The more pilots actually get more radiations from the sun. Okay, just in case you don't know. Right? So and then the mesosphere, why is it called a meso? Because it's the middle, you see? You have 5 layers here. It's right smack in the middle, so it's meso. Meso means middle. So this is where your meteorites, they finish burning. Thermo is where you get your aurora, okay, because it's ionosphere, ion. So exo is the outermost because this is where you get all your satellites. Okay, so trust me in exam. Okay, can I? Really easy. And then your ocean also has 3 layers. You have the surface zone, you have the midnight zone, you have the dark zone. Okay. So some oceans they have really, really deep dark zones like the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and of course the deepest would be your Mariana Trench. Yeah, the Mariana, yeah, exactly. Right. Midnight to change to twilight. Twilight Sparkle Zone. That sounds like a bunch of gay dudes living there. Twilight Sparkle Fabulous Zone. Wow, it sounds so gay. Right, anyway, so your surface, everyone is living here lah. Okay, because you get sunlight here. Midnight is when you get little or no light already. So dark zone, there's not much living here. You know the movie Meg. Okay, you know Megalodon. They still believe there's a freaking big shark living down here. So that's your dark zone lah. Okay, right. So you know what? I think I'm gonna stop here. For Sunday's class, I will jump straight here. I will jump straight to here. Okay, I know it sounds very funny lah. I have to talk about the second part first, but I will. All right. So anyway, I will end my class here. So thanks for coming, guys. For those who are not coming for Sunday class, please request video. Next week I will continue with this. Right. So hope you have a wonderful weekend. I will see you next week or this Sunday. Right. Take care, guys. See you and bye bye.